Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner. Meron tayong atidas or chicken feet with oyster sauce. Magigisa lang tayo ng maraming sibuyas, maraming loya, kaunting bawang. Antayin lang natin lumabas ang kanyang aroma. I-add natin ang ating chicken feet. So malinis na guys, yan. And malambot na. So pinakuluan ko yan. Mag-add lang tayo ng ating oyster sauce and soy sauce. Yummy na ito guys. Hindi na ako naglagay ng vinegar dito. Mag-add tayo ng ating green chili para maanghang ang ating chicken feet with oyster sauce. Napakasarap talaga ng ating chicken feet with oyster sauce. At malinamnam talaga ito. Nag-add pa tayo ng ating spicy powder. Meron tayong turmeric, curry, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, paprika, and chili powder. And isang pirasong bilib. Nag-add pa tayo ng ating hot water para super lambot talaga ito. Antayin lang natin maluto. Gawa tayo ng ating napakayami, very healthy fruits and vegetable smoothie. Yung ating carrots, beetroots, assorted nuts, cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, and almonds. Yung ating oats, powdered milk. Napakayami talaga nito guys. Yung ating avocado. Meron pa tayong avocado guys. And it's superfood and very healthy dates. Water and i-blend lang natin ito guys, and meron na tayong masarap and healthy fruits and vegetable smoothie. Luto na rin and malambot na ang ating masarap na chicken feet adobo with oyster sauce. Napakayami talaga nito guys, at marami tayong mga nilagay na spices powder. Mag-ready tayo ng lagayan para i-transfer natin ang ating chicken feet adobo. Gagawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. For hot drinks, meron tayong apple tea, slice of apple, 5 pirasong clove at ground pepper. At yung ating tea seeds, konti lang lagay natin guys. And papakuloyin lang natin at meron tayong napakasarap na apple tea and healthy din ito. Kain tayo guys, food is ready for masarap na dinner. Meron pa tayong assorted fruits, meron tayong mango, fresh orange, apple and cucumber. Para sa ating main dish, yung ating chicken feet with oyster sauce. Napakayami talaga nito guys. For cold drinks, yung ating masarap and very healthy fruits and vegetable smoothie. Hot drinks, yung ating apple tea. Kain tayo guys. And guys, please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. And you can also subscribe too. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito guys. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.